everybody, my name is Phil. Over this past week I've made myself a cart upon which I have mounted my brand new drill press, my old disc sander, and my thicknesser are all on the same unit, and it rolls around the shop and it tucks out of the way when not needed. It's fantastic. Let's
drum kit is important. You know, for those particular drums. Thank you very much. Cheers.
That's all the legs that I need for this thing, gluing up. Well, I've got it together. It's surprisingly heavy and rickety. It's got some racking. I just have to do some bracing on it, but I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow because I just looked at my watch and it is almost 8 o'clock and I have not fed the cats. They're going to lose their mind. You guys want to see how clever I am? Yeah. Now then, let's see how we do. Should be right. Mate.
Murder gloves.
Okay. And just like that, it's done. Sort of. I need to get new bolts to actually mount it to here properly. I can't actually work with it just yet. It's not 100% safe. Just it can move, so I'm not going to use it at all. I'm going to get a new power strip. I'm going to mount it to the underside here somewhere. I was thinking of dust extraction for this thing because it's a filthy bastard. And that's off that side anyway, so that shouldn't be too big a deal. Although I can just hook it up to my shop vac. Extraction for the thicknesser is always going to be a pain in the ass. Generally, I just let it do whatever the hell it wants and then clean it up off the floor. It's just easier. Probably remake this and either have it slide out from here, you know, or kind of sideways from here, right? In the meantime, I'm just going to leave it sitting right there, and that works for me. I've got this part here turned all the way around backwards, simply because, yeah, I have yet to work out how I want to do what I want to do with it. Probably end up taking the table off altogether, like leave this part here on, but take the table itself off, and I want to work out some kind of, you know, roller support system, you know what I mean? So the whole point of this is to have drum shells on here and drill holes in them, you know, so some purpose-built thing for here is the ideal, but for now it's just out of the way. So yeah, there's that. How much fun is that? My favorite thing about this whole project is that when I went to buy the drill press, I actually originally had gone in to get a little compressor and a brad nailer and a, you know, hose and all this kind of stuff. But the deal on the drill press was so good that I bought that instead. But what makes it funny is, had I had that nailer, this project would have went so much faster. It would have been so much easier to do. Oh well, these things happen, I suppose. Yeah, so if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, more of me stuffing around out in the shop, you know, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more of everything that I'm doing, more of all things Schinbein Drum Co, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, all that fun stuff. In the meantime, I'll still keep doing these those Tuesday at noon videos. And yeah, anything, liking, sharing, commenting, all that stuff, it all helps out. Go to my Reverb shop. I've got a bunch of new stuff up there. Go to my Spreadshirt shop. I've got some merch available. You know, there will be links for all this stuff down in the doobly-doo. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you on Tuesday.